Guide Colonel Ninny here. I've just taken off from Yantar to go 9 kilometers to bomb the military installations in a field to the southeast. It's called the 4-minute sortie because that's how long it should take from takeoff to landing. You can see the target clearly in the green field up ahead just off the nose. Unfortunately, I make an error by overspeeding and not compensating for it. I check my heading and dive down to avoid any anti-aircraft fire. And counting fields. There's field 1, here's field 2, and I'm entering field 3, and after that, immediately after that, is the target. My speed is high, and I misjudge the hop over the trees, which results in my angle being wrong. Consequently, I have to hightail it out of there. Instead of destroying the target, all I've done is woken up the anti-aircraft gunners. Holding my heading, I'm pulling her up into a loop to go right the way over, and the target should be off my nose. There it is. Just need to roll the wings level, straighten it out, and look at the gunfire. Nice hit, but I need to hit the deck pretty quickly. Watch how the anti-aircraft fire brackets me on both sides. My mistake may still cost me my life. The engine is damaged and it's leaking oil all over the windshield. So instead of flying straight home at high speed, now I have to baby the engine to make sure it's going to get me home. I do two things here. I reduce the power to about 2000 RPM and also start to climb. Gaining altitude is very important because if you lose your engine, you need to be able to glide down and have time to make those decisions. Simply put, the more altitude you have, the more time you have before you hit the ground. The power reduction should reduce the stress on your damaged engine and keep it operating just a little bit longer. And so now I find myself having to fly over enemy flak from a situation that I've caused entirely by myself. And if they do shoot me down, at least the walk back to the airfield is getting shorter every moment. Where is my airfield? There it is. Trouble is, how am I going to land this aircraft with all this oil on the windshield? I'm going to keep the airfield in view as long as possible in the side window. Flaps are coming down to full. And don't forget that this mess in which I find myself now is due to my poor planning and execution of a very simple maneuver. Hold the runway heading. Okay, let's pay attention and get this puppy on the ground. I'm holding my heading, bleeding my speed. That's the best I can do. Great. Now I've just bent a perfectly serviceable airplane. Take off to touchdown, 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Now, once again, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've learned something. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.